Well, this is Decode the movie. You might be wondering what is this about? Well, it is a movie where we have people doing decode dares, like the seal. We will go like around two people we don't know, and then we seal like something like that, which I don't do now. And what do we have? The SMRT dance. We're going to do it in the MRT. Yeah, everybody's waiting for that. And also, you stupid how, or something like that. We're going to do it to somebody. You a stupid how, or like something like that. And then and we're also gonna do and it's starring Angelo, Jiva, Pearlie, and finally Alpha, and me. Definitely do that. Hopefully, right, Dikosh is coming with us to film this whole film. Yeah, because this film, right, is targeting for Dikosh. It's supposed to be for Dikosh. It's supposed to appreciate what he has done for us, what he has like he made the videos, right, for all of us. So we like want to appreciate him, like, for making like all those videos and like making us like laugh and everything, so supposed to appreciate him for doing all those videos. And because without him the video would be like meaningless, pointless, and yeah. And so the video will be this film will be published on YouTube slash Decoach the movie. I mean youtube.com slash Decoach the movie. It will be published on April 5th. So yeah, so on April 5th, you can go there. Most probably, if we are late, it'll be around April 6th, the 6th, because we need to edit and everything is at like very last minute. So we want to publish as soon as possible. So yeah, wait for it to come out. See ya.